Hey guys, what's up? It's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be reviewing another underrated slime shop review. So today's review is for Lone Star Slime Shop Co., and I will leave their Etsy down below so you can go buy their slimes. They sent me a lot of slimes. First up, we have Raspberry Jelly Donut, and this is so squishy and it was so satisfying to mix little donuts in. This smells just like donuts and I absolutely love it. It's a bit tough at first, but that goes away quickly. And I just love the details with this slime. This is just so like poofy and, as I said, squishy. I love it. Next up, we have Cherry Pie DIY, and this is so fun to mix and sculpt. However, the listing doesn't show how it should look, so I just did this. And it's similar to the other DIY clay slime texture, but just more inflating, I feel like. And the pom-poms give it texture, there's no fallout, and this is a bit sizzly. My favorite part of this was probably how cute it was to mix, and also you can get free shipping from their shop when you spend $35. Good deal, go buy. This one is Unicorn Kisses Cloud, and look how cute these glitters are. I loved mixing this. It's so Instagram worthy, and it smells really like a sour candy. So stretchy, not much fallout, but it wasn't very fluffy, and the drizzles weren't amazing. These are the best I could get. So, yeah. This one is Green Alien Eggs, and it came so sticky. And usually I don't mind, but they didn't provide any activator or borax, so I really had a problem with this. But it smells just like sour green apple, and also a bit of shampoo. But after activating, it was still sticky, but also rippable. And I didn't want to activate it anymore because then it would get more rippable and get a little bit of fallout, so. Next up is Strawberry Cereal Milk, and this is extremely thick, but that might just be because it was super tough and hard to stretch. So yeah, but it smelled like fruity, strawberry-y, but kind of like sweat too. And it was also almost perfumey. I don't really know how to describe it, but it was a bit crunchy, but just not to its full potential. Okay, last but not least, we have Blueberry Waffles, and this was super stretchy, so cute, and it smells like blueberry yogurt almost, and it was so thick, and I love, love, love the bubble pops on this. It's really glossy, and a good, well-rounded slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out their shop. They sell amazing slimes. I've loved most of them. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!